Bellivera Faux leather jacket for women. Studded Rivet Floral Moto biker short lapel. Coat. Sherpa-Lined Comfort. Experience ultimate warmth with our Sherpa-lined leather jacket. Featuring plush sheepskin lining and elegant fur trim. This jacket combines style with comfort, making it a must-have for colder seasons. Unique features. Adorned with striking stud and floral prints, this faux leather jacket adds a unique charm and depth. The vibrant colors and patterns elevate the overall design, making it a standout piece. Stylish design. The fusion of studded and floral elements imparts a rock and vintage vibe, showcasing your distinctive personality and fashion sense. If you're aiming for a cool, unique look, this jacket is the perfect choice. Practicality meets style. Equipped with a belt and zipper pockets, this poo jacket seamlessly blends impressive style with practicality. The durable faux leather material offers protection against chilly winds while keeping you fashionable. Versatile pairing options. This motorcycle jacket is incredibly versatile. Pair it with skinny jeans or a mini skirt to accentuate its punk style, or opt for wide leg pants or a flowing skirt for a more contemporary look. Whatever your choice, this jacket is sure to elevate your outfit.